Okay, so it's snowing outside. As you can see, look at the snow on the ground. It's kind of awesome, isn't it? So yeah, haven't vlogged in a while, so I'm vlogging about the snow. This is the first snowfall that's stuck in Indiana. And I'm surprised that it's sticking because it's kind of wet. Because look at the pavement. It's really wet. There's puddles. It's really wet, but yeah, I'm just surprised it's sticking. But yeah, I've not been doing much. I've been trying to find a job. I'm trying to apply to another college because I don't like the one I'm going to right now. So yeah, it's hard. But some of them are really weird. And I can't pay an application fee right now, so I'm trying to find one's application fee. So that's it for me. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.